In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add multiple materials to one object in Blender. So, open the Material Properties menu. These two buttons will then add and delete material slots for your mesh. After you add materials, the first thing you might notice is that only the first slot seems to be doing anything. That is because you need to assign the other materials to parts of your mesh. So go into Edit mode and select the parts you want to add another material. Click on the material you want to assign, then click Assign. And that's it! You've successfully added multiple materials to an object in Blender. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.